Hello everyone, today in this tutorial we are gonna learn how to create a summer logo like this in Adobe Photoshop, not in Illustrator but in Adobe Photoshop. How to do this? Let's get started. First you need to select Freedom Pen tool from the toolbar menu. Come over there and just click on the pen tool. A pop-up menu will be open and then choose Freedom Pen tool. And now choose the green color and I'm gonna make a palm tree. Create a new layer and start a shape of a palm tree. Like this. And this pen tool is really helpful. And it gives you a lot of freedom. And now select them all and make a group. Let's give it a name, palm tree. Now I'm gonna create a sun. Select ellipse tool, draw a circle, choose the orange color, and now make a duplicate of this circle. Go to edit, copy and paste, and now choose a different color, and now choose a light color and make it a little bit smaller. Now go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Done. And I think I should add some more orange color. Like this. Now select them both and make a group. Give it a name, sun. Now drag the sun below the palm tree like this. And now let's make a surface, a random shape like this. So just move a little high. And just move a little bit higher. And now let's add some water to show the ocean. Again select the Freedom Pen tool and draw a shape like this. So select them all and decrease the size. So I'm gonna delete this, it's not looking good. Now again select the Freedom Pen tool and make a shape like this for the ocean. Now change the color to blue. Blue is for watercolor, as we all know. This one. And now again make a copy of it. Just hold the Alt key and drag a little bit down. Now decrease its size to make it smaller. And now change its color to a little more lighter color, like this. Now select them both and again make a group, give it a name ocean, and now bring it down below the sun. And now to add a bird, I'm gonna select the pen. The pen tool is a normal pen tool. Click once and make a line by holding a shift key. Just make a curved line like this. Now hold the alt key and click on this point. Draw a shape like this. Now make a duplicate of it by holding alt key and bring it to the right side like this. Now select them both and right click and merge this shape, and now give it color to the black. Double click on it and choose the black color. Now make it a little bit smaller and bring it down over there and make a duplicate again, and now it's looking good. Now select them all and decrease the size and bring them all in the middle, and now add the text. For example, I'm gonna put summer logo. Increase the size according to the design, and now change its font. I'm gonna select this font for this logo. Now it's looking good. Now I'm gonna change its color. I'm gonna choose blue. Now put another text. For tagline, put the text. Tagline goes here, and change it font. I'm gonna select open sans. And now it's done, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn and see more amazing videos. So have a good day.